You don't have to quit that job, but you better do this.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, and I'm here to tell you today, it ain't always necessarily fuck that job, right? Because I told you in one of my other videos that, fuck that job. If you think about quitting, then fuck it, okay? But I also want to give you the other side of this, because I do no matter what, no matter how I try to spin it, that video was specifically for entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs only. An entrepreneur, it's in them. One thing about them, we just simply can't do no jobs. We just can't. You know what I mean? It's in us, all right? But it's always going to be somebody watching my videos and my channel that's going to be like, no, I think you can do it with a job. I don't know if you want to be telling people that and all the time. Right? Okay, fine. Let's do it a different way then. You can have a job and still build wealth. That's 100% fact. But here's the key. The job ain't going to get you the wealth. All right? The job is not going to get you the wealth. Now, you can keep the job as long as you want to. As long as you're happy with it, I'm happy with it. I don't give a damn what you do, right? As long as you're happy is what's important. But here's the key though, if you're going to be serious about building this wealth, if you want true freedom, and outside of that job, because obviously you ain't going to really be free with the job, while you're there, you still under that thing. But anyway, if you want the freedom outside the job though, the freedom to travel when you want because you got the funds to do so, the freedom to pass on wealth to your kids because you created the wealth to do so, then here's what you need to do. Number one, invest, okay? Now, what can you invest in? Well, there's really three different things that you really can invest in. I guess four now if you count crypto as its own thing. But a small business, which probably ain't gonna work for you because you want to have that job. Big business, which is stocks. Okay, so you invest in other people's company. And then real estate. That's pretty much it. Okay, now it's up to you to figure out which one of those things you want to invest in, but you're gonna have to invest in something. Because the job is not yours. You don't own that, okay? So you got to get some things that you own that can pay you passively. Like number one, I tell you what, I said small business you probably won't be able to do it since you don't want to quit the job. There is a such thing as a side business, okay? This is a fact. There is such thing. To me, I don't really believe in aspiring to have a side business. I think you start with a side business so you can grow into a big business so you can leave that damn job, right? But in your case, if you really just don't want to leave the job, which I still don't understand, because even if you build the business into a big business, you can just work for your damn company yourself. You still have your little job, you want a job, but anyway, fine, I'm talking to you. I'm an entrepreneur, so I can't help but to still try to sway you to say for that job. But anyway, I'm going to keep it on here. You want to keep the job, bam, start your side business. Drop shipping is a good example of a business you can start on the side. If you don't know what drop shipping is, look it up on Google, but real quick, or on YouTube. But real quick, I tell you, you basically make your website, post your product on that website, right? Let's just say you want to sell cameras, because I'm looking right at the camera. You find you a website where you can get cameras for cheap. Let's say you get the camera for $800 over here. Post it on your website, the exact same camera for $1,000. Sell the camera on your website for the $1,000. Take $800 out of that $1,000. Order it from the cheaper website. You keep the $200 in pocketed. You never touched it. You put in the person that ordered from you. You take that information, plug it into this website over here. Ship it straight to them. Okay? You never touch the camera itself. That's a good side business for a person with a job, amongst many other ones. A cleaning company, a commercial cleaning company is great as well for a side business, even though I try to teach people how to create systems and grow it into a big business. But you can also use it as a side hustle. The reason being is all of the cleaning is done when? After business hours, usually, right? So the commercial cleaning, and I ain't talking about residential, I'm talking about commercial cleaning, because that's what I really specialize in, right? Office cleaning, stuff like that. So if you get your office cleaning business started, you can get you maybe 5 contracts. Let's just say all 5 of them pay you maybe $5,000 a month or $4,000 a month. Let's just say $3,000 a month. Let's keep it a little bit lower. Let's say all 3 contracts pay you. Get 3 contracts, they're $1,000 a month each, and they pay you $3,000 a month. You clean them things after hours and you making an extra $3,000 a month. You could do that, right? But I recommend instead of getting the $3,000 a month and you cleaning after work, How about you hire employees, put the employees in there, they cleaning during them after hours. You go in there just inspect them maybe once or twice a week here and there. Now you making a pass of $1,500 because you paying them the other 15. So even though they paying you $3,000, take maybe half of it, you keep yourself, and the other half you pay to the workers, right? Why? Because employees get paid less than the actual business owner, right? That's how businesses stay in business, right? But anyway, so that's another way that you could invest outside of that job and still keep your job, right? And still be building wealth, all right? Now, and another good thing about that too is because the money's going to always still be coming in, even without you having to work. And let's just say you get hurt and you can't go to that job that you wanted to keep. Well, guess what? You got this passive income still coming in from this side business that you built. So bam, small business is one. The next thing is stocks, okay? I don't really talk a lot about stocks on my channel. I'm invested in them. I mean, I do believe in them, but here's the thing about stocks. Like most things, you get out what you put into it, right? And so with stocks, the returns you're going to get from stocks are a lot smaller than the returns you're going to get from a small business, simply because the big players have already eaten. You getting the smaller end of the stick. So for example, if you put in, let's say you put $1,000 into it, you're lucky if you get 10% back. That's $100, so you're making extra $100 every quarter, right? From dividends off the stock. Not life changing, but it's something, right? But the bottom line is you own it. So what you want to do if you're going to do stocks is just continuously invest in it for the long term, non-stop, and just do that, okay? Then your third thing, real estate. This is another great one too if you're going to keep that job. And just get you some rental properties. You can flip them as well if you want to make lump sum cash, but I'm not really a fan of flipping. I like to do the long-term buy and hold rental real estate investing, all right? So get you some properties, own them. And the good thing about buy and hold rental is, number one, not only is it appreciating over time, the actual value of the real estate, but then you're also making passive income every single month in addition to the job that you kept, all right? So that's all I'm going to say about this, because I really want you to quit your job, but you can keep it if you want to. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of getting bored with this because I don't want to tell you to keep your job. I want to tell you how to get out of that job. So anyway, but I just told you how you can still make the wealth building work if you still decide to keep your job that you want so bad. But wish you the best nonetheless. That's why I still made this video, even though I really didn't want to. But just for you, I did it. Hopefully this helped you. I'm AJ Simmons. And by the way, remember I told you about that side business you can create with the cleaning company? Well, guess what? I got CleanBizNetwork.com where we sell cleaning business starter kits, and I can help you do that easily, step by step by step. So check that out at www.cleanbiznetwork.com. Like this video, comment below. I'll talk to you a little bit once I get a chance, and I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you.